Guys, this is part 3. It's going to be really short. We're going to talk about polyatomic ions and balancing. So if you have, what's that formula? Hold on. Right, sorry, I was trying to remember this one. So if you have a formula like a chemical equation H3PO4 plus MgOH2, and it yields or produces Mg3PO4, sorry about my pen, plus H2O. Okay, first thing you want to look at, I've got PO4, which is a polyatomic ion, and I have a PO4 over here. Okay, actually my box should be right here. That means I have 2 PO4s. Well, there's a start. So what I was talking about earlier is when you write these down, you have H, you have PO4, you have Mg, and you can do OH or you can go OH, because hydrogen can become HOH, and there's your OH. That just makes life a lot easier. If you have an OH and an H2O, change it to HOH, okay? Now, over here you have HPO4, Mg, and an OH. When you write this down, you end up with 3 hydrogens, 1 phosphate, 1 magnesium, and 2 hydroxides, because their subscripts. Okay, over here we have 1 hydrogen, we have 2 PO4s, we have 3 magnesiums, and over here we would have 1 hydroxide. Okay, so what you want to start with is your PO4s. Okay, if you look here, there's 2, because they're the biggest ones. You want to start with your biggest stuff. So if I put a 2 here, that changes my hydrogens to 6 and my PO4s to 2. Okay, so there's my PO4s are balanced. Okay, so then I'm going to work with my magnesiums. Yes, so magnesiums, I have 3. So if I put a 3 here, that changes this to a 3. It changes my OHs to a 6. Okay, so now I have to look up here. I have 6 hydrogens. Well, I have HOH. So if I put a 6 in front of that, that changes my hydrogens to 6. Ooh, look there, it balances. And then it changes my OHs also to a 6. Oh, look, it balances. And the whole thing is balanced. And there's a 1 here. Okay? So when you're working with polyatomic ions, it's good to know, good to box in your polyatomic ion, leaving the subscript outside. So what I mean is, and let me go back and clear it up a little bit. So if I have go back. Okay, sorry. If I have Mg3PO4 on one side, and it's in parentheses, and a 2, box in here. I know you couldn't tell it on the other one. That way when you write it down, you have 3 Mgs, 2 PO4s. Okay, and just I just wanted to show you a polyatomic ion. Come to class, add this to your notes, part 2. Thanks, bye.